Are you struggling to come up with fresh ideas to grow your business? Do you find yourself spending hours brainstorming only to come up with lackluster results? Well, today I've got some great news for you. Introducing the ultimate playbook of 500 plus business prompts. This is the definitive guide to unlocking a treasure trove of powerful prompts designed to boost your business. With this playbook, you can maximize your profits with minimal efforts. Inside this playbook, you'll find over 500 prompts that are designed to help you overcome common business challenges such as generating leads and increasing sales, as well as to improve customer satisfaction. Whether you're a new entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, this playbook is packed with valuable insights and strategies that you can use to take your business to the next level, including prompts that you will never know exist. One of the biggest benefits of using this playbook is that it can help you save a lot of time and effort. Instead of spending countless hours trying to come up with new ideas, you can simply flip through this ebook and you can find the perfect prompt to help you solve your business challenges. By using these prompts, you'll be able to unlock new revenue streams, attract more customers, and improve your bottom line. And because these prompts have been tried and tested by myself, you can be confident that they'll work for you too. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level and maximize your profits with minimal effort, get the ultimate playbook of 500 business prompts in the description below. Don't miss out on this, guys. This is an opportunity to transform your business. Get yours one today. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and insight on how to grow your business to the next level. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.